Well, hi everybody, and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are going to review the Countertop Ice Maker, and let me show you all the features that it has. This is the Countertop Ice Maker. Let's go ahead and plug it in, and let me show you all the different features. All right, so let's go ahead and turn the unit on. Here it's telling us that we need to fill it with water. We're going to open up the lid, and it shows us exactly what water we need to use. It shows us how much water we need to fill it up. So we're going to fill the unit up to the maximum line that it shows inside the container. And that is the maximum line. Then we're going to go ahead and put the basket in with its own scoop. We're going to close the lid, and now basically it's going to do everything on its own. And within a couple minutes it's starting to make the ice cubes are ready. And then look what it does. It pushes them into the machine. How cool is that? Then it fills up with more water. And there you go. You have ice cubes.